Morning to all of you. Dear students, as we have discussed roadways and railways, today we will discuss about waterways. So basically, waterways there are two types of waterways: inland waterways and sea routes. So basically, inland it means कि land पे ही they built a canal and the ships are going to this canal. And second thing, sea route, about the oceans. There, this is the sea route. So navigable rivers and lakes are used as inland waterways. Some of the important inland waterways are the Ganga Brahmaputra river system, the Great Lake in North America, and the River Nile in Africa. So basically, these are the inland waterways. And the sea routes. Sea routes and oceanic routes are mostly used for transporting merchandise and goods from one country to another. These routes are connected with the ports. So basically, okay, that in the south side and the west side, southwest side, and southeast side, that you will see there are many ports. Okay, like Gujarat, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and you will see that Kerala. Okay, so there are all the connected with the ocean and connected with ports to uh, reach goods one place to another place. Okay, so basically this is like New York, Los Angeles in North America, Rio de Janeiro in South America, Durban and Cape Town in Africa. So basically these are the sea routes because it is important and it is very cheaply. Okay, so that's why the sea routes is very advantage of uh, for import or export goods. Airways, this is the fastest way of transport developed in the early 20th century, and it is very, airways in the all the most expensive due to high cost of fuels. So air traffic is adversely affected by bad weather like fog and storms. So basically, जब fog and storms होता है, so then and there is no airplane fly in the sky, and it is the only mode of transport to reach the most remote and distant areas, especially where there are no roads and railways. Helicopters are extremely useful in most inaccessible areas and in time of calamities for rescuing people and distributing foods, waters, clothes, and medicines. So as you know, when the disaster had come, so then you will see the helicopters and the planes have play a major role or a vital role play a vital role for the rescues. So it is important for the basic need of our human environment and human settlement. Acha, communication is the process, as I told you and as we have discussed in a live class, that communication is important because with the development of technology, human have devised new the fast modes of communication, and the advancement in the field of communication has brought about an information revolution in the world. And different modes of communication are used to provide information, to educate, as well as to entertain. Through newspapers, radio, and television, we can communicate each other. Then you will see that the mass media, where the news we have listen in our daily life, in our where we can't reach that places, we also heard the news. So basically the communication is important, and there are many types of communication like mobile, internet, telephone. Okay, so the satellite has made communication even faster. Satellites have helped in oil exploration, survey of forest, underground water, minerals wealth, weather forecast, and disaster warning. So basically this is communication. This is the wireless telephonic communications through cellular phones have become very popular today, and internet not only provide us with worldwide information and interaction, but has also made our lives more comfortable. Now we can reserve tickets for railway. So basically, it is important, and you will see we have a connected the all of things that we are using. Okay, we are holding the live classes. We are talking with each other, where you are distance of 100 or 200 or 500 kilometer distance. So basically we are talking once again. Okay, so basically this is an important part of a human's life, and communication is important. Ancient time had communication also, but that time it is very you know very fastly going. So this is the end of the video. We will I will send you question answer access question answer in a Google Classroom. So please see and please write down on your notebook. Okay, so goodbye, have a good day to all of you.